everyone, welcome to Geotechnocrats once again. In our previous tutorials, we have learned that how you can download freely available raster data or a satellite image from USGS website. The link for that particular video is given in the description of this video. Now, whenever you download a satellite image, it comes in the form of pixels. And there is one number which is known as digital number or a DN value which is associated with each pixel. Now this DN value is meaningless, especially when you want to interpret the image in terms of some meaningful quantitative value. In such cases, you have to convert your image either into the form of radiance or reflectance. So in today's tutorial, we'll learn that how you can convert DN value into reflectance. Now, what exactly reflectance is? Reflectance is the percentage of incident radiations which are being reflected back from the object. So now let us see that how you can convert the DN values into the reflectance value.
Okay, now let us see that how you can convert the DN value of the downloaded image into reflectance. Now in order to convert it, this is the formula. This is the standard formula which is used to convert the DN values of the image into reflectance for Landsat 8 data. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 parameters which are being used. MP is actually the band specific multiplicative rescaling factor, and AP is band specific additive rescaling factor. Now both these values are available in the metadata file which is downloaded along with the satellite image. Then QCal is actually the standard product pixel values, the DN values of your image, that is QCal, and SE here is the local sun elevation angle. Now this value is also present in the metadata file. Now let me show you, this is actually the metadata file which was downloaded along with the satellite image. So here you can see the sun elevation is 60.437. So you have to calculate the sine of this value in order to put in this equation. And then once you scroll down, you can see the reflectance bandwise values for this particular multiplicative rescaling factor, and similarly you have the bandwise values for additive rescaling factor. So we'll use these values in order to convert the image into reflectance. Now how you'll do that? Just launch your ArcGIS. For example, this is the image which has the DN value ranging from 8,387, and the highest DN value of this image is around 26,728. So this is the DN value range. Now click on Arc Toolbox. In Toolbox, go to Spatial Analysis tool. Under Spatial Analysis tool, you have Map Algebra, Raster Calculator. Open Raster Calculator. Now you can see this image. This is the red band. Red band is actually band number 4 of Landsat 8 OLINTIRS data. So this is the band number 4, red band here. Now we have to apply this formula here. So the formula was multiplicative rescaling factor into the QCal, that is the DN value or the image itself, plus the additive rescaling factor divided by sine of the sun elevation angle. So what is the multiplicative factor, rescaling factor for this image for band 4? So reflectance multiplicative rescaling factor for band 4 is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5, that is 0.00002, whereas the additive rescaling factor for band number 4 is minus 0.1. So we'll apply this here. Multiplicative, okay, now we'll do it 0.00002, that is multiplicative rescaling factor, into the dn value of the image, that is qcal. So it's here you will take the image itself, band 4 image, then additive rescaling factor, you have to add the additive rescaling factor, and the value of additive rescaling factor was minus 0.1. So we will, so plus minus will be minus 0.1, close the bracket, divided by the sine of sun elevation, and my sun elevation was approximately 60.37. So here if you calculate the sine value for the sun elevation angle, let me type, where is the sun elevation? Sun elevation, okay, 60.437, right? So if you calculate the sine for this, the value will be approximately 0.86. So divide by 0.86. So we have applied the formula, and here you can give the path where you want to save this calculated your reflectance image, and then OK. So this is your image with reflectance value. So here you have converted the dn values into the reflectance value, and as you can see the lowest range of the reflectance is 0.07, which means 7%, and the highest range is 0.50, which means 50%, approximately 50%, as reflectance is a percentage, as I have already told you, the percentage of the incident light reflected by the object. So we actually determine the reflectance in terms of percentage. So least is 7% and highest is 50%. So this is how you can convert a DN value of a downloaded image into a reflectance value, which is a meaningful value, where DN value is a meaningless value. Thank you so much.